They are
prepared to isolate and manage. 8,000 people have been infected and are currently causing havoc in the streets. Shelter in place immediately or risk your life. Lock and barricade your doors and windows.
They are
Prepare to isolate and manage your resources. Be vigilant and wear protective equipment to avoid breathing in the pores. The President has ordered the National Guard to San Diego.
November 27, 95. So this is a year
After the Gomez incident.
Really? Yeah. Oh my god. I wasn't the screen in the background. Okay. I wasn't saying anything.
Isn't this so beautiful? The bloodshed,
Oh, don't jump scare me.
their cries. Fill me with such joy. How we can be together. Now we can be together. In a happier place. As feared by scientists, 2 new variants have appeared in the scene. Variant A, original. Okay. Causes physical and mental deterioration. The most common variant as of now. Variant B. Benign. Its effects are minimal. Patients retain their sanity. However, they still pose a threat of transmission. This patient was seen sneezing and coughing out the spores. Sarah Campbell. She's the first patient to have this variant. After being exposed to spores in the morgue. She's currently quarantined and observed. Oh, so is she one of the morticians? Variant C. Okay, similar to variant A. Text here, nice. Nah, there's no way. There is absolutely
Get out of there.
bulletproof exterior.
Oh, bulletproof, man. Okay.
What the hell? I don't even know what that was. It looked like just someone running in a huge open space with checkered floors. So clearly things have gotten way, way worse there. And now it makes sense about like spore pop it's a lot harder. And again, it seems like our guy here is fitting right now. Okay. Alright, we got some car footage. So it looks like this is going to be a found footage video.
I'm in a hotel in Kingview to hike roughly 25 miles south from here. I'll be hiking through the Altoona.
Alright, good luck, man. Interesting that all this takes place in California, it seems.
By the way.
Keep alright?
Need help!
Man, it's getting dark? Oh, dude. Laughing.
What's going on there?
Oh, nah, and this guy walked up to it? That's crazy. Oh, this guy's crazy.
What happened? Oh.
Okay, it sounded like that our hiker friend is dead.
Wait.
Okay, it sounded like that our hiker friend is dead. Missing. Alright, so we get a very small glimpse here of what exists almost a year. The Smile Tapes, Volume 3. Alright, this is a long one. The Volume 1s are always much longer. 6 deaths. 4,035 hospitalized. Scientists were able to determine its evolutionary origins. Okay. To a microbe in the Yucatan region. Okay. Microbe was found in an insect trapped and preserved in amber. Radiometric dating suggests the insect lived around 65 to 60 million years ago.
Cosmic shower of asteroids or a large meteor struck the Earth within a...
Skip.
Scientists have given the fungus an official name. Abaliomundo rhicis. The Jester. That name goes kinda hard, I can't even lie. The Jester. Oliver McCormack, April 3rd, 1996. I'm running out of food. I don't know if I can survive any longer. Every day just gets worse. The smoke suffocates me. I have sealed off most of the ventilation in my apartment. Because I fear that the spores may come through. I mean, smart. I think that's a smart decision. All I hear is the crackle of fire just blocks away from here. So I'm guessing he's in San Diego, and San Diego's still a mess. You can see he's got his windows boarded up. I'm getting hungry. I finished my last food supply 10 hours ago. I don't have a choice. The quiet quieter side of town. Okay, seems to be in some kind of grocery store. Looks like it's been ransacked already. Oh. Got a can of fruit though, okay. Nah, bro! That thing is so close. Flamethrowing? Alright, that's the aftermath, I guess.
Good afternoon, Miss Campbell. Here just asking you questions. I know this whole situation right now is a lot for you to handle. Being locked away in a room, far from your loved ones, and subject to rigorous tests that probably push you past the point of exhaustion. But the reason for this is that you might be able to help us end this whole epidemic. It has been 3 weeks since you were diagnosed with the fungus. How are you feeling right now?
I'm fine. Facial pain's been gone for 2 days. So my cough's gotten worse.
You completely lost yours. You're the first person to have. You seem to have recovered from it. You see, our early understanding of your case is that it's a late bloomer. Its course runs slower, but eventually it will kill the host. I think we should investigate if your recovery is the result of a weaker, non-lethal variant, or if it's because of your immune system. If...
Okay, so this is what I'm guessing is a doctor talking to Sarah Campbell. Sarah Campbell was the only person with this variant, so she has some kind of immunity, and I'm guessing, her having immunity would be good because then maybe they can produce a vaccine or something for the others.
And only if it is entirely your immune system responsible for your phenomenal recovery. We can't extract your antibodies, create vaccinations, and for immunity, and possibly make a cure.
Well, I hope that's the case.
Now, let's talk about the incident. Is there any reason why you were not following standard safety protocols in the morgue? Miss Campbell?
I wasn't in my right mind at the time.
Can you elaborate?
I wasn't great. I still am. I couldn't cope with it at the time. I couldn't focus. I could have not shown up for work today. But I had a puncture day.
We can send your son here. Alrighty then.
The research laboratory was infiltrated by the Smiler. Despite the high security of the facility, it was not able to withstand the enormous wave of Smilers. Everyone, the personnel and subjects were killed in the bloody raid. Robert was.
Really?
There is no cure, there is no cure. I killed them all. That kind of looks like the dream guy. Wait, so it seems like that they were on the verge of possibly getting a cure, and then all of a sudden a bunch of Smilers infiltrated the lab? 96. The city is just done.
Space riders getting moving the infested area, intervening, and I got because we realized because they also don't all the time saying that whole outfit
20 years ago? We're relentless no matter how much you incident, which I think would be very, very important to this case. Well, we only got a few videos left, so let's see what else we got. Tape 7. Mule. Okay, a lot of actual footage in this one. What's this guy doing? What's in the briefcase? $20? Is it? Definitely the smile drug. Okay. 12 days later. Oh my god. It's the hike. This is what was taking place inside the cabin. I'm not gonna lie, this series has me really stumped. I have what I think is a valid timeline of things and a big theory at the end, but honestly, it's a bit of a stretch. So if you guys know anything in the comments that maybe I didn't bring up or anything like that, please do, because this one was a really hard one for me. Also, I do want to say before I get into my theory and everything, I think that this series is finished. I'll get into it a little more later, but just keep that in mind when I give you all this. We also see there is a radio and seeing all the time the man. War puffers. But it seems like he's telling interesting about Sarah Campbell and cause a ton of chaos, a bunch of amber. And even though the insect was of terrestrial origin, the microbe says otherwise. This is because that's where the meteor landed to destroy the dinosaurs, in the Yucatan region. This is where things get a little iffy, is now how did it spread from this insect and amber to a drug, and then the drug went on the black market. I'm guessing people took the drug because it made them feel happy at first, and then, oh damn. That's the theory I could come up with. The big problem in my theory is the man, because clearly this bacteria. There's really just Tweeted out, "Not gonna lie, I had to drag myself to make Volume 3. As much as I wanted to quit it, since March, I had to give the series some resolution. Now that it's done, I feel free." Now, shortly after this, the mule was created, and I believe the mule was created just to give some context to the hike video, and to also show maybe where the drug originated in a way, or at least some of the earliest parts of it. Something I've seen a lot in the analog horror and the ARG community is that fans put a lot of pressure on these creators, and sometimes the community can be even toxic in some ways. So I completely understand why Pitoriku might have wanted to end the series here and just leave it as it is. To be fair, it does have a resolution. We do see that the smile virus ends up going away because of what happens at the end of Volume 3, and 20 years later, things are fine. And it's also left off in a way where if Pitoriku wanted to pick it back up and kind of up with a solid understanding of this series. And also, let me know any thoughts and theories that you have. This is my second attempt at an analog series, kind of like reaction and analysis thing, so let me know how I did. Let me know if you guys have any ways that I can improve or not, but thank you so much for all the support on the channel recently. You guys went crazy on the Vita Carnus video. It's at 500k plus views now, and I cannot thank you guys enough for that. If you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like on it. It helps spread it out to new people. And also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to hit 150k before the end of the year. And alright guys, thank you so much for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.